A very good morning to all of you. This is the second half of the chapter, and the chapter last time we have discussed, that is banking, and the first half we have already covered, and today we are going to start with the second half of the chapter. So in the last topic we have discussed about a banking system. Okay, we have seen that what is commercial bank and what are the functions of the commercial bank, and in that commercial bank we have seen that the main important function was credit creation, that we have already covered. So now today we are going to start with the new topic, that is types of commercial bank. This is not that much important, but still you must be know about the commercial bank. Commercial bank is basically the two type of bank: scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. Scheduled banks are those banks which are mentioned under the schedule of government, under the schedule of 21. Okay, so these are the public sector bank, private sector and foreign banks. Public sector banks are the banks which are under the government, and private sector banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, these are the private sector banks. So and the government bank like SBI, PNB, Canara Bank, all this. Okay, uh, now we'll move to the next banking. Okay, so that is central bank. Okay, sorry, central bank is known as the apex bank of India. Apex bank is known as Reserve Bank of India, which is the main bank. Central bank doesn't mean Central Bank of India. इसका मतलब सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया नहीं होता है। मतलब जो आप एक हम देखते हैं हम लोग जनरली मार्केट में सेंट्रल बैंक के नाम से बैंक है, वो बैंक नहीं। सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया मतलब रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, जो सारे बैंक्स का कस्टोडियन है, मेन बैंक है, हु इज़ गोइंग टू यूटिलाइज और हु इज़ गोइंग टू फ्रेमवर्क ऑल द प्लान्स एंड पॉलिसीज फॉर द banking system. This is known as central bank. Okay, so what are the different functions of the central bank? Definitely the first function of the RBI is currency authority. What is currency authority? Means the RBI is performing the functions of printing the notes and currency coins which you are seeing in the market, and 1 rupee note. All the coins and 1 rupee note is printed by government of India, and the rest notes, all all the notes, okay, till 2000 rupees note, all the notes are printed by Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Okay, so this is the function like currency authority. This is the function performed by the Central Bank of India, RBI. Another function, we'll just go through that. Bankers to the government, very much important. Bankers to the government is what means sometimes the government also needs some kind of cash, sometimes the government is also required some kind of money, so the Reserve Bank of India is there to provide the loan to the government of India. Okay, so bankers to the government. And now next, bankers bank and supervisor. What is bankers bank and supervisor? Bankers bank and supervisor means the this particular Reserve Bank of India is a bank which is going to supervise all the banks which are prevailing in the इंडिया। जितने भी बैंक्स हम लोग देखते हैं आज मार्केट में, सारे बैंक्स को रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, गाइडलाइंस प्रोवाइड करने का काम, ये सारे काम कौन करता है? रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया करता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट फंक्शन आपका जो है दैट इज कंट्रोलर ऑफ मनी। कंट्रोल ऑफ मनी और क्रेडिट कंट्रोल पॉलिसी, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है, इसको हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे फुल पूरा। अगर देख लेते हैं, और इसके अलावा कुछ और फंक्शंस बचे हुए हैं क्या इसके अंदर, तो देख लेते हैं हम लोग। इसके बाद आप लोग आ जाओ नेक्स्ट पेज पे, दैट इज ओके हियर custodian of foreign exchange reserve. Point number 5, custodian of foreign exchange reserve. It means that the Reserve Bank of India is a bank who is going to keep all the exchange money, all the money from different countries like dollar, euro, yen, everything, the money which is kept by the Reserve Bank of India. और जब भी आप और हम लोग कभी we are going outside from the country and we require the foreign currency with us, so the Reserve Bank is going to convert that the Indian rupees into foreign currency. Okay, and the next function is lender of last resort. Lender of last resort, that basically means the Reserve Bank of India is the last institution which is going to help you in any kind of matter. Suppose any disputes took place you and between the bank, okay, or sometime whatever the amount you have deposited, bank is not able to pay you, the Reserve Bank is there to pay you that particular amount. So lender of last resort, Okay, everything is there with the Reserve Bank of India, because this is the last authority which is ultimately going to support you. And the last one is stabilization by the central bank. मार्केट में जो इकोनॉमी जो अप एंड डाउन होती है, बहुत सारे जो हम बोलते हैं कि बॉन्ड सेल आउट करती है बैंक्स और ये सब, तो इनके थ्रू क्या करते हैं, मार्केट में कितना पैसा आना चाहिए, कितना पैसा मार्केट से विड्रॉ करना है, कितना लोगों के पास मनी की लिक्विडिटी मेंटेन करनी है, ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग भी आरबीआई मेंटेन करता है. अभी रिसेंटली आपने देखा होगा कोरोना वायरस के टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ कि मार्केट में लिक्विडिटी बहुत ज़्यादा कम थी, तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने, जो हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है निर्मला सीतारमण, उन्होंने क्या किया, बहुत सारी लिक्विडिटी को मार्केट में डाला गया विद द डिस्कशन ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो दैट क्रेडिट क्रिएशन फंक्शन जो अभी हमने स्किप किया था, उसको हम लोग अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ रहे हैं. जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. ओके, ये वाला फंक्शन नंबर 4, कंट्रोल ऑफ मनी सप्लाई. ओके.